students, they can see me, they can talk to me. Then I will be sharing the screen, and our classes are very intense. Like today, for example, we're gonna be looking over the market, different trailers, flatbeds, when reefers, how to work, how to check the national data, zones, and everything else. This is our third class, so we're gonna be practicing. She is going to have access to my live load board because, as you know, I do own trucking company. I do this every time. I love this fetching, but the beauty of this, because I do have real trucks, I do have real trailers in company, my students can really be part of it. They have to make those controls. Today we're just going to be going over how to use that, how to use truck stop, and then we're going to start putting everything together. She already knows a lot of things. One of the homeworks was to look at the map, and today she will tell me about the production, about what's going on in the state. So